Right now, in your shop, there is a folder, a spreadsheet, a Google Drive, or someone's memory holding your business together. And for a while that works, but at some point, as the volume grows, a detail gets missed and a family calls asking about their order, and nobody can tell them where it is without walking onto the floor or getting a hold of someone in the back. That's the problem that Gorde was built to solve. When a new order comes in, everything about it gets entered into one place. The name, the granite specs, any accessories like etchings or text on back, foundation details, delivery information, design instructions, all of them written once, attached to the order, available for everyone who needs it. Once the order is saved, Gorde automatically sets up everything that needs to happen. Layout, materials, and foundation all start at the same time. You can see the same order sitting on 3 boards at once, all running in parallel without anyone having to think about it. On the purchase order board, you generate a purchase order for material and send it directly to the quarry. When they confirm it, you mark it as confirmed. When the granite arrives, you mark it as received. You know exactly what has been ordered, what has been confirmed, and what is still coming in. Nothing gets lost in an email thread. On the layout board, the designer sees every order waiting for a design. Once the layout is approved by the customer, they upload the files directly into the order. Those files travel with the job. When it reaches the stencil step, the cutter opens the order and the design file is right there. At production, the checklist is specific to what the order contains. Nothing gets assumed, nothing gets forgotten. The order cannot be marked complete until every item is confirmed. That is how you catch a mistake before it reaches the shop floor, instead of after at the cemetery. When a family calls, you type the name in. The order comes up and you can see exactly what it's waiting on. Foundation, material, layout, without asking anyone. And if something changed on the order, the audit trail shows what changed, who changed it, and when. Every person on your team only sees what they need to do for their job. Your production team sees the production board. Your delivery driver sees the delivery board. You see everything. Nobody is overwhelmed, and nothing is hidden from the people who need it. Once the monument is installed, your delivery team marks it as complete and uploads a photo of the installed monument. Then, the order is done, and everything that happened to that order from the day it was entered to the day it was installed is recorded and searchable. Whether you run one location or several, Gorde keeps every order organized and your operation running efficiently. If you want to see how Gorde works for your shop, book a demo at gorde.ca.